guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is this March month's glossy box. So obviously I wanted to get this video to you. Yeah, we've got March's glossy box. I won't go into the details of glossy box because I mention it in every single video, but as you know, it's a subscription box. So let's get into this unboxing. So this month is not a themed month, it's just your standard pink box, and I'm really excited to see what's inside because I didn't have the chance to look at the sneaky peek last time. I didn't actually look. It's going to be a complete surprise basically. So it comes as usual, lovely presented and gift wrapped. I haven't really looked at what's in here. I opened it and then I thought I'll save the reading of the card until I do the video. So I'm going to have a quick look at the what we have. Oh, we've got some Figs and Rouge. I've had their stuff before. Theirs is really nice. So yeah, I'm going to just pick straight out of the box and I'll give you a little bit of a read as to what you get, but you do get some good stuff. So first off, what can I see? I can see this lovely sponge. So this is a complexion sponge. It does look a bit like a sort of makeup sponge, a beauty blender type thing. Let's just open it up. So yeah, it actually feels quite nice. Now sometimes you can get the beauty blenders that are quite like a bit tough and they don't blend that well. This is actually a really nice consistency. I have a couple of favourites that I actually like, but this one's lovely. So this one's a full size as well, so it is just basically a complexion sponge, so it's for blending makeup, mainly foundation, and it's going to enhance, it's going to give you a flawless and enhanced finish. So that sounds really good. It's an RRP of £6, so that was really good, and I love the colour as well. I quite love that pastel shade. So yeah, looking forward to using that. Right, next up we have this one, which is a Nourishing Mascara. Everything comes lovely presented as well, and I do like that packaging. I'm a little bit funny with mascaras, to be honest, because I have a favourite, and it is the Benefit Roller Lash. And the reason I like that particular one is because I don't like thick brushes. I like small thin brushes, because for me, and I don't know, I find this is just maybe just me or maybe one or two people, I find the small ones I can get to my lashes better. I find the bigger ones I end up with half. It's too big to get in there, if you know what I mean, to get close, and I end up with half the mascara all over my face. So I do prefer the smaller brushes. So this one's a Nourishing Mascara. It's supposed to be volumizing. They come in these kind of like little tubey things now, don't they? But I really am interested in the type of brush. Now, actually, it's not bad. It's not like a big jumbo brush, if you know what I mean. It's not a bad size at all. So actually, I thought it was going to be bigger than that, but I actually quite like that. So yeah, that's really good. Now, again, this is a full-size product, which is really good. It's volumizing, and it's nourishing, and it's going to thicken, which is really good, and it should have been £15.50. so really interested to try that. I mean, to be fair, sometimes I get things and I do buy them again because I've really liked them. So GLOSSYBOX is really good to just try to sort of step out your comfort zone, try something. Even if you've not spent the earth on the box, it's only like £10 plus some postage, which is about 13 quid, and you've got to try some new products, and you might actually like them, which is what I like. So there is some things that I definitely would buy again. If you want me to do a video on the things that I've got from GLOSSYBOX that I would purchase again, or have purchased again, I can do that. Leave me a comment below. Right, next up we have the Figs and Rouge. Now, there has been something of this quite a while ago, probably about a year ago now, because I've still got it. It was one of these, that was Figs and Rouge. It's actually, that was really lovely actually. It's kind of like a sort of a highlight. I don't use it that often because it's quite bright, but I do like that. It's on the top there, but I do like their products. They're really nice. So this one's a primer, blurring primer, so that sounds really nice. So this is again a full-size product. Oh my god, they're doing really good this month. This is a satin soft blurring primer, so obviously good for like me that's got a few wrinkles. I'm hoping they can blur those out. But it's an RRP of £38. Oh my gosh. I did think that these were quite expensive, but again, if it's something that I like, I don't mind spending the money. But I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, That's good. Right, next up we have this lovely sort of nail polish. It's in this kind of like bluey grey colour, I would say. Again, a full-size product again, guys. This should have been £11. Now, personally, I don't use a lot of nail polishes because I generally, if I have acrylics, don't look at my hands right now, they're horrible, acrylics or gels or something, and I usually use gel kind of polish, and the UV sort of reacting polish. Yeah, so it should have been £11. It looks absolutely lovely. I do like that colour actually. It looks quite nice. I should try more pale colours more often. So that's that one. Right, last item, guys, because you do get 5 products, and we've had 4 full products. And we've had 4 full-size products so far. So the last one is a NYX Professional Makeup. So actually, in the card itself, it doesn't actually say what you're going to get. So it looks like you're going to get a lucky dip. Oh my god, so I'm really excited. So which one have I got? Oh, I've got some Intense Butter Gloss. So it's an RRP of £4. Yeah, it's a lip gloss. So I'm just interested to see what colour it is. Oh my gosh, it's like a purple colour. Shall I try this on? It's an Intense Butter Gloss. I've not put that on very well. Might be good for Halloween. What do you think, guys? I personally don't think I'm going to use that. I'm sorry, Nyx. Sorry, GLOSSYBOX. But yeah, that is the lip gloss. Not really my kind of colour, I've got to say. It may be somebody's cup of tea. It isn't mine. Obviously, I have tried it on now, so I'm not going to give that away. But again, it is only a tiny amount. But again, I could wear it for Halloween. I mean, what do you think? Not even filling my lips properly. So yeah, if you can stop laughing. So yeah, that's everything for the video this time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
You were tall, I looked up from where I sat, wished I would've dressed up. Your first line, won't forget. So is it true, no one's taking you yet? I remember people